morning mga palangga. So, papasok ako sa trabaho ngayon. 3 hours lang ako. Papasensyahan nyo na. It's dark. Tingnan nyo sa labas. Sobrang foggy niya. Nakakatakot, diba? Yung parang nasa horror movie ba? Yan. Sobrang foggy niya ngayon ay. Yung car ko nakauna. Hey, mister, are you okay? Drink some water.
Yeah.
Good job.
My Weetabix, they just sort of
Went in the wrong way?
must tickle my throat a bit.
No. If it went to the wrong way, your
No,
body
it didn't go wrong.
reacts naturally to cough it out. If it goes to your lungs.
It wasn't going the wrong way that day. It was just
Oh,
tickling.
that makes you cough.
No, it's a tickle I've got.
I don't think so. Parting my parting
Parted.
parting my hair in the middle suits me. Do you think it suits me?
No.
Because my natural part is here. There. Kaya yun, nakikita mo ba yan? Para siyang walang buhok dito kasi yan talaga yung natural parting ko. Right, mister, I'm going.
My natural part is here.
You don't have a lot.
What?
So later on, we're gonna go to my mama-in-law,
I've got work to do first.
mother-in-law.
I've got to...
Kasi yung top na binigay ko sa kanya on her birthday, unfortunately, the fitting is a bit tight for her. So she asked if she could have another size or she could exchange it to another size. So, I did not see a similar items, but I have found on Joel's website a very similar, ha? Yung binigay ko sa kanya, Han, just
Yes, princess.
a little bit quiet. Yung binigay ko sa kanya, 3/4 sleeves siya. And yung nabili ko, long sleeve siya. Pero similar pattern, similar color. Yung ano lang talaga, yung sleeve length niya, iba.
Iba.
Iba. What's iba?
No idea.
Different.
Different. Why you not just say
Right, we need to review your Tagalog. What is thank you?
Secret. Salamat.
That's it. What is he's whispering. What is beautiful?
Could be. Could be.
It starts with M.
Yeah.
Ma. When you see
Oh no, I can't. It's not coming to me at birth. I know what it is.
When you say magandang umaga, it's maganda. It's beautiful.
Maganda.
Yeah, maganda.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because, well, the thing is, Tagalog sometimes has no direct translation.
Yeah, probably.
So what's delicious?
Masarap.
Hindi talaga niya yan makakalimutan. Nako, to si Mr. Right, honeybee, I need to go, sweet. I'll see you in...
Bye. Well, I got my machines to wash and I'm going to start doing some bits because I'm away again on Wednesday.
Oh yeah,
Are
because...
you working this Wednesday?
Yeah, 2:30 to 9:30 Wednesday.
No, so I'm picking up, you see.
Yeah, I'm working. So I'll see you after 3 hours. God, I don't like driving this weather.
Can you see that tree?
Yeah, I can
Well,
see
you're
that.
alright then.
Yeah, okay then.
Bye.
Bye, I love you.
Love you too. All these crows want
Bye! I don't like this crow eye. Mas lalo na foggy. It's so scary. Do I need my fog light? No? Nakita niyo naman na yung visibility is very poor. Mas malala pa to mga palangga if gabi umuulan at nagpa-fog. Nako, sobrang hina ko talaga magpatakbo. Mga 15 siguro ako kasi one time na kagagaling ko lang sa trabaho, pauwi na ako sa bahay. Nako, umuulan, fogging at gabi, sus, parang ano talaga, yung mata ko kaganito talaga, ganyan, dahil dilat na dilat. I'm trying to be alert kasi yung visibility is so poor. Ganyan yung weather dito sa UK, ganito yung weather sa UK. Nakakatakot mag-drive pag ganito kasi yung mga nakikita mo lang is ano ba, mga silhouette lang ng mga kahoy, ng mga like forest. Nandito na tayo. Natatakot ako mag-drive pag ganitong foggy kasi yung mga nakikita mo lang is mga silhouette ba. It really reminds me of horror movie. Kung ano-ano kasi yung mga pinag-iisip ko, kaya yung utak kong pinaglalaruan ako. Sino kaya ang night shift? Diane is here. Yung katrabaho ko nandito na. Nandoon siya, oh. Yan. She has a white car. Siya yung makakatrabaho ko ngayon, which is, she's very nice. That's good. Good morning, madam. Yeah, you can do because I'm going anyway. I mean, I'm only 3 hours. She always call me little person because I'm only little anyway. Magpagpaganda muna tayo, presentable tayo. Yun na. I think we're presentable. Right, I'll see you later. I'm here. I'm at home. Hello. Look. He's there. Yan.
I'm doing what you do.
Is the door open, sweet?
What a fine husband.
Yeah, what a fine husband. That's what you said. Coffee is ready. See? It's ready. Just need pouring. Didiligan natin yung mga orchids natin. Until now ay hindi ko pa din siya nahahanapan ng pot. Itong orchid natin. Pupunta tayo sa woods. So, ito yung costume ko. So, maglalakad talaga tayo sa, sa gubat, sa forest. Kaya yun, naka-hat ako. Tapos, naka-waterproof jacket, naka-boots. Kasi, mukhang uulan. Yeah, every window are closed. Hello, girls! Dadalhin namin yung mga alaga. Ready? No?
We need leads.
Oh, I closed the door.
Oh, they're in the car.
Oh, they're in the car. Yeah, we need to have a lead.
We need a good lead.
Kasi ayaw namin silang tatakbo-takbo sila sa kalsada. Kasi alam niyo naman may mga sasakyan na dumadaan. At itong si Pipa, nako, pag walang lead si Pipa, nako, she's everywhere. So mas safe talaga. I don't have any gloves. I forgot my gloves. Where is my black gloves? Is it inside the house? Is it in that cabinet where the stairs is, near the stairs? I'll just have a look. Can you hold that for me? It's recording.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's recording. She says it's recording. This is my new Browning hat. It's a wax cap, so if it rains it doesn't soak through. What do you reckon, Bears? Is it good? Where's... Alright, Pippi. Can see Pippi. Ticky 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 ticky. See? Ticky ticky ticky. Where's Phoebe? There's Phoebe. Ticky 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 ticky. Ticky 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 ticky. What's it? Hey, no, don't be jumping up. We're not allowed to do jumping. And down it goes. There we go. Right, we're off to the woods today, guys. We're taking the bears out for a walk. They were out with me yesterday all day, but my dear wife would like to go to the woods, she says, to see if the teddy bears are out having their picnic. Hey Pip, what do you reckon? Will we find the teddy bears? We'll find out, won't we?
I got my gloves.
See, she's got her gloves now. She always you look at her Wellingtons, she always cleans them before she puts them away. There's down in the full covered in grass in the bottom. Come on out. There'll be grass everywhere. She never washes her Wellingtons.
Don't tell that.
She'd wash them and then they're clean to put on.
Ay! No, get down, sweet.
Oi! Key, darling?
Can you help me? I'm not ready. I want them to be covered.
Well, you're going to have to hold it. I can't do everything. Can I? Can't do everything, can I?
Because of this, it's so hard.
We'll tuck it indoors.
It's like having a boxing glove.
I can't. You have to hold that.
There you go. And the other one, please. Such a good husband sometimes.
All the time.
Sometimes, right, girls? Mama is ready.
Papa's not. I need to get some fresh gloves.
Yeah.
These are
Where did I get these gloves?
Yeah, I don't know. These are waterproof.
Yeah.
So
I remember that we bought this when I just arrived in UK. Yeah, maganda siya. Thick. Right, can I have Pipa?
You want your friend.
Yeah, my friend. Come on, girls.
Look at this moss growing as well. It's just never ending.
Can we get something to kill a moss? Si Pipa Gusto niyang sumabay kay Phoebe. Tingnan niyo, may manok sa kapitbahay namin, oh. Yan. Yan yung kapitbahay namin. Si Pipa. Ano talaga, nag-worry na siya na hindi niya kasabay si Phoebe na maglakad. Kaya hinihila niya ako. Tingnan niyo. Palagi kasi ako nagpi-film.
Pippa's not happy because she's not with a friend. Look, she's missing Daddy. Can you see? Yeah. Do you want to go down this track or the next one? The next one, I think. Yeah, it'd be better. Yeah. So right, so now you need to just stop a minute. Stay, stop, 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 stop. That's it, Fee. You guide me. Right, come on, keep walking now.
Oh.
Fee, come on.
Am I look alright?
The camera will tell all.
Nandito na kami sa woods. Kasi maganda dito. Pipa? Hang on. Hang on, sweetheart. Mama is not good at this. There you go. Well done. She's tinkling. My battery is flashing, hon. Oh yeah, when my 2 new battery did not come yet. I've ordered 2 battery online. Hindi siya yung genuine na battery talaga sa Canon. Kasi 3 yung battery ko now. Yung 2 battery, Canon siya. At meron akong isang battery na hindi Canon. So, naglalast naman siya. So, bumili ako ulit ng 2 battery na hindi Canon. Pipa, Phoebe! Uuwi na kami ay. Marami ding mga walkers dito na naglalakad. Tingnan nyo. Uy! Pipa! Pipi! That's dirty! Uy! Itong mga batang to. Tingnan nyo si Pipa. May hinahanap. She's looking for a mouse.
Right, leave it, Pip, now. Leave it.
Pipa, leave it. Leave it, Pipa. That's why she got her eye scratched. Kasi, yan. Palagi naghahanap ng mouse. Pipa, leave it, sweetheart. Ano namang nangyari kay PB? Uy, she's limping. PB, just relax, wait. Just relax. Let us have a look.
Ooh.
Pipa. Ito si Pipa. Kulang ng pansin ay.
Don't be so jealous of her. Nothing, is there?
Nothing. Yeah.
Ah, there. Ah. She probably fooled it a bit.
Ah. Right now, sir. Where are we going? This way or that way?
You can go the road way, or you can go the romantic way.
Lead the way, sir. Whichever you want.
Go first, you lead the way. Follow the path of Dusty's
Okay, we'll go.
Just follow the path of Dusty's trail.
Are you gonna follow me?
I'll follow.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going this way. We're not going that way.
I'll keep you right, don't worry.
We're following. Oh, be careful. Do not trip. Scary here. Into the woods, into the woods.
Okay.
He's taking that way. I'm gonna go this way. And I'll meet you. You see?
Hi.
Hi. We cross again. We meet again.
Where's the black one?
Pipa!
Oi, come on you.
Come here. Where are we going?
Down the Dusty's trail.
Scary here, very scary.
Well, you better stick with me then. Where's the black one?
Here.
There. Walking in the wood.
Walking in the wood.
She's walking in the wood. Look at me.
Look at me.
I'm Sandra D.
It's cold here. Pipa, come on now. It's time to have a lead. Kasi yung road nandoon na oh. Diyan na.
Can you just hold these a minute? I've got
Yeah.
something tickling me and I don't want to think that it's not gone down my welly boot.
He got tickle.
No, I don't think there's a tick going down your boot or all this. You know what I mean, Harry? Think you good with it? You got a bit by a tick and you had a bullseye on it. But then you'll have limes. You get bit by a tick and it ends up with a bullseye around the bite.
Yeah.
It's infected with limes, basically.
Oh no.
But if you get bitten by one and you don't get the bullseye, you're clear of it. But you should still have antibiotics anyway,
Yeah.
just to make sure. Right, cookies, come on.
Come on now. Nandito na naman tayo sa ano. What do you call this, son? Kissing gate? Kissing door? Huh? Kissing gate. Careful, oi. Here we are in this kissing gate.
If you want to get through, you got to.
Kiss. Come on.
Come on.
You need to move.
Right, come on in.
There you go.
Because it kisses here and it kisses
And in there. Yeah. That's why it's called kissing gate. There you are.
Okay.
Come here.
What?
This is my handsome husband.
Handsome. How'd you
There's
like?
car coming, car.
On the side.
Come here, honey. There's a car coming.
Right, stay there, folks. Stay. Okay.
Come here.
Come on, dogs.
They won't walk with me. They won't walk with me.
They will if I'm not here. Won't they?
Come here.
Go on, bears, off you go. Daddy's following. Well, she's had that many injuries as Pippa. She's been so unlucky as Pippa through her life. You know, she's nearly poked her eye out. She's stabbed herself in the chest. Yeah, they're poisonous.
Are they poisonous?
Yeah,
I'm just wondering why they're white.
because that's for you to go and get them like Adam and Eve.
Come on,
Come
now,
on,
girls.
come on, go.
Oh. They're everywhere.
You've no control, have you?
We really need to clean our pond, honey. We don't have a baby duck. Our baby duck, we don't know where they...
Well, we didn't create it.
Yeah, because I've been telling you that we have ducks in our pond, Pero hindi namin nakita na meron silang baby duck. So, hindi namin alam kung nag-survive ba sila or hindi. Ewan ko. Ito na naman ako. Sinisipon ako dahil sa ginaw. Honey, after all your leaf blower, ito na naman. We got a lot of leaves again.
Oh, just have to keep blowing till they've all gone.
Keep blowing till they're gone.
Oh, falling off the trees, isn't it?
Yeah, well, look, there's still a lot.
But these are the main ones that drop from here. That's hanging on. It's funny how these trees come to life sooner than others, and the ones that come out to bud early always shut down early to the others. This one here always.
Which one?
This one.
This tree there?
Yeah,
that one.
always comes first with the leaves on it.
Yeah.
And it's always first one to shut down. Look, it's nearly naked, that one, compared to the rest.
Yeah.
That one as well, that's... Alright, Chicky Bears.
Gutom ako ay. I'm hungry, honey.
Look at the colour of my car.
I'm hungry. I will have something to eat. I don't know. And after this, we're going to Mama. To Mama-in-law. So, ito yung binili ko galing sa Jules. Dalawa. Yung isa para sa akin at yung isa para kay Mother. Aya. Ito yung para kay Mama. Yan. I'm not sure kung tatanggalan ko ba siya ng price kasi mas mura siya. Yan, hindi siya nagpo-focus. Yan, mas mura siya. Yung ano kasi, yung first na binigay ko sa kanya is 34 pounds and 95 pence ata yun. Pero, nung nabili ko siya, in-auction siya, nakasale siya. So, nabili ko siya ng 9 pounds and 95 pence. So, yun. Titingnan ko to. This is a tunic dress. Nagustuhan ko yung pattern kasi geometric pattern siya at mukhang maganda naman tingnan sa model. Well, 'di ba? Model 'yun. At iba ako sa model. Yung ano ko, yung body ko hindi pang model. Medyo thick siya ha. Yan, ito siya. At meron siyang dalawang pockets harapan. Kailangan ko lang mag-lipstick. At ito lang yung susutin ko kay papunta kay Mama.
Some Sheila in a tree.
Sa tarsier. Do you think she will accept this, honey? This is a bit cheaper. This is 29 pounds and 95 pence. Whereas the other one is 34 pence and 95 pence.
Why was there a ticket on it?
There is a ticket.
What, the one you give her?
Yeah, of course there's a ticket because I don't want to remove the ticket and she doesn't like it, which is not doesn't like it, it doesn't fit her, which you can exchange it. Before tayo aalis, titingnan lang natin yung freezer natin kung ano ang kakainin natin later. Oh, black pudding.
Oh yeah.
What would you like, hun?
Oh, they're not defrosted.
It's not defrosted. We'll just have a simple, hun. Very simple.
I think we could have black puddings.
Yeah.
Ham. There's not a lot of ham.
There's not a lot of ham. Well, we'll just have pasties. You have pasties and I have fish fingers. Duh! Yun lang. Tomorrow kasi, all day ako. Tomorrow, 14 hours. So, I did reduce my hours. Our rota is week 1 and week 2. And then, yung rota, it will be just so on. So, my week 1, I am only doing 14 hours now. What are you doing?
Signing.
No. And then my week 2, binawi naman siya sa week 2 kasi yung week 2 ko, I'm still full-time sa week 2 ko kasi I'm still doing 43 hours. So, yeah. Yun yung sitwasyon natin. Iiwan ko dito yung tripod ko. Nahiya kasi ako pag, dinadala ko yung tripod ko sa bahay ni mother-in-law.
You ready?
We're here.
I used to have a discovery like that.
Huh?
I used to have a discovery like that, yes.
This car?
Yeah.
Nakikita ko si mother-in-law na pasilip-silip sa bintana niya. I hope she liked this. Honeybee.
Similar, isn't it?
Well, it's just the sleeve length is different. Tingnan nyo yung garden niya. Sobrang ganda. We are home. Hindi na ako nag-vlog sa bahay ni mother-in-law
You need to
kasi...
get that done straight away because
I know.
the time factor, isn't it?
Yeah. Kasi sabi niya, masama daw yung pakiramdam niya. So, hindi na lang ako nag-vlog doon. So, ito na yung top na in-exchange. Ito yung smaller top. Yeah, I am right, honey. This top is more expensive than the other one. This is 34 pounds and 95 pence. And also, for the exchange, binigyan niya kami ng itlog. Ito, sobrang cute. At inside...
You won't want coffee, will you?
No coffee for me. And inside is ito siya. Yung orange... Chocolate orange. Yeah, ito siya.
It's only eating in a minute.
Yeah. Ninit niya to.
16 degrees.
Naku, wala talaga magawa si mother-in-law. Kaya sabi niya, ninit daw niya to.
Where do you cook?
So cute, diba? Yan. So, ito yung dress. Yan. Yan. Medyo maluwag siya sa akin, pero okay naman. Pwede na tong mag-leggings ka, yung tights ba? Then, naka-boots. Then, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng belt. Maganda na. I like this. What do you think?
What is it?
A dress? Well,
You're having a laugh at it.
is it bad?
No.
Bloody awful, he said. I like it.
What are you going to wear that with?
Well, you can have a leggings or tights with it, and then boots, and put a belt.
You certainly need somebody.
Ayaw ni Mr. Well, I like it. Iba-iba talaga tayo ng taste. I'm an old soul. Papasensyahan niyo na.